In this video, I'll be showing you how to install a WordPress plugin. A WordPress plugin. Now, plugins are very useful whenever you are designing a website using WordPress. Very useful. And with plugins, they call them plugins. With plugins, you can decide, you can turn your website into any form of website. It's a very useful tool, and there are so many plugins in the WordPress database. So many plugins. Some are good, some are not good. So, and it is advisable, just like WordPress themes, it is advisable you come to the WordPress database to install, to find, search for and install any WordPress plugins that you want. Plugins help you to design a very good website if you can use them very well. And later you will get to understand some of the very important plugins that must be on your website, on your WordPress website. So let us look at how you can install WordPress plugins. Now, what you do after logging into the admin area of your WordPress website, then you click on the three horizontal lines at the top left corner. After clicking on it, scroll down, you can see under appearance, you can find plugins. You click on plugins, and when you get to, you can see under plugins, you can see installed plugins. These are plugins that have been installed already, so you click on it. Plugins that have been installed already, you click on it. So this is the plugins page. These are plugins that have been installed already on the website. You understand about what you want to do here is to install a new plugin, to understand how to install a new plugin. And it's just like installing a WordPress themes. And on the plugins, let me quickly explain this. You can see this information, all 19 active, 19 update available, and up to update enabled, auto update disabled, and all that. This information are very important. Now we have, it means on this website there are 19 plugins, and one is we have 19, and those 19 are active, and then the update available is one. You understand that means update. You see, updates are plugins are updated. The same thing WordPress, the WordPress software itself and the WordPress themes, they are updated regularly because of security issues. Updated regularly because of security issues. So you need to make sure that your plugins are up to date, and one of the things that makes it easier is the auto updates. You make sure all are auto updated. That is, you may not have to log in to update them. They will just update in the background, but you have to turn it on. So that is that. We'll get to that. Let's look at how to add a plugin. Then you click on add plugin. Click on add plugin. After clicking on add plugin, then here you come and search for the plugin that you want. Whatever plugin that, for example, if I'm looking for a security plugin, that is plugin that are useful to secure my website, I can just type the keyword security. Now you see it will load and give you example. You can see WordPress, this WordPress security firewall is about the most popular security plugin for WordPress. Now you can see so many examples given to you. So what you need to do, just like with the WordPress themes, just for you to click on install now. Then after clicking on install now, it will ask you that do you want to activate. Then you click on activate. Is that okay? Click on activate. So after activating, you will find the plugin in your on the plugins page. you find the plugins on the plugins page. Just like with the WordPress themes, before you install, you can always find the details. Now, look at details here. More details. Before you install, you can click on more details to read more about the plugins. To read more about the plugins before you install. After you click install now, then it will show activate. Then you activate. If you don't activate, it will just be on the plugins page, and you won't be able to use it. But you have to activate for you to use it. So you can go back and see the plugins page. You see install plugins to find the plugins that you have just installed. Now let me show you the plugins page, because you need to know what you need to do after that. Now, after you have installed it, you can see this page. This is the plugins page for each plugin that are on this website: advanced ads, AI engine, and so on and so forth. So you can always come here. You can see disable auto update. This for advanced ads. You understand that auto updates have been enabled. So if you don't want to enable it again, you can click on it. But it's advisable you enable auto update. Now, now you can also deactivate. Deactivate means you stop the plugins from working. You can see deactivate. So many things you can do here. You know that you click on when you click on deactivate, then the plugin, the particular plugin, is no longer going to work on your website. It will just be there. And after deactivating it, you can also come here and see that you will be able to delete it. So after you have activated it, now some of the plugins have the settings tab. So when you click on settings, you'll be able to now use the plugins for what you want to use it for. You'll be able to find a lot of information of what you can do. For each plugin has different ways of using them, and that is what we are going to talk about later. We are going to talk about later. So this is the plugin page, and also you can also always find, when you click the three horizontal, you can always find some of the plugins here on this left side of your WordPress admin, the admin area. You can always find some of the plugins listed here, so that you can click on them, and you'll be able to change the settings and use them for whatever you want to use them for.